How to find SMS settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find SMS settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile, and here we'll find settings. Click on it. Now click messaging and then scroll down until you find here SMS settings, and here all you need to do just you can manage it. You can manage this one here, send message to group as and manage it, and that's it. And you can turn off or on share SMS, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.